guys, so after we've made this wonderful ranch, it's time to peel and make some carrots for dipping. So first of all, we have our carrot here, and we're gonna first peel the carrot like this, and we always want to peel away from us. And we're just gonna do these nice little thin strips. Don't go too deep, just these nice like thin strips on the outside like this. Yep, all the way around each side. And then to get the last top part, you can turn it around like this and go like that to the top part, so we can get the very edges up here. All right, so now that we've peeled our carrot, it's time to make some nice big slices. So if we just cut little slices, it's really hard to dip, so we're gonna do it the fancy way. So first we're gonna cut off these little ends, this end right here. We're gonna just take our knife right here, and we're just gonna hold it, and we're gonna like cut these nice little thin strips, and so they're nice and long for us to dip. Make sure your hands are clawed so that the carrot doesn't roll and your hand will get cut. Just make these nice little strips like this, all the way to the end. And then you have these nice carrots to dip. Fantastic.